Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Wan Amirah Hakim bin Wan Azmi from DET1A and my matrix number is 04DET24F1093. So today I'm going to talk about introduction of oscilloscope. Oscilloscope is a device that allows the amplitude of electrical signals, whether they be voltage, current, power, and other than that, to be displayed primarily as a function of time, the basic instrument for the study all types of waveform. An oscilloscope, sometimes abbreviated as scope, is a voltage sensing electronic instrument that is used to visualize certain voltage waveform. An oscilloscope can display the variation of a voltage waveform in time on the oscilloscope screen. So, an oscilloscope divided by two types. They are digital oscilloscope and analog oscilloscope. There are four main basic functions of oscilloscope. First, measure AC or DC voltage. Second, measure AC or DC current. Third, measure the time and frequency. And lastly, measure the phase differential between two waveforms.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Amri Nazari bin Aziz and my matrix number is 04DET24F1057. Today, I'm going to talk about how to calibrate an analog oscilloscope. So, there are 7 steps for calibrating the oscilloscope. First thing first, you have to switch on the oscilloscope. Then, you have to put the probe into the input. After that, you have to touch the hook tip into the cal value, and then the crocodile clip to the ground. Make sure you select the channel you use, such as channel 1, and then you have to select the volts per division, such as 0.2 volt, and then you have to select the time per division value, such as 0.5 millisecond. At the screen, the waveform will appear as square wave. Okay, now we have to calculate the voltage peak to peak to see if the oscilloscope is good to use. Now, for V peak to peak, the formula is number of division times volt per division. So, in the waveform, we see the number of division is 2. 2 times volt per division used is 0.2. 0.2 equals to 0.4 volt. Now, the value for the V peak to peak is 0.4 volt, and it is near to the CAL value, which is 0.5 volt. That means the oscilloscope is good to use to measure in anything.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Wan Muhammad Faris bin Haji Wan Raja. My metric number is 04DET24F1006. So today I want to talk about safety preparation for using an oscilloscope. First thing first, you must check grounding. Make sure the oscilloscope is grounded to prevent electric shock. Second, stay within voltage limit. Ensure your oscilloscope and probes can handle the voltage you are measuring. Third is wear PPE. Use insulated gloves and goggles in high voltage situation and avoid loose clothing or jewelry. 4 is prevent overloading. Check input voltage limit and disconnect when switching probes or setting. 5 is watch for power surges. High frequency transit can damage equipment, so use transit protection if needed. 6 is use isolation if necessary. If measuring high voltage, use an isolation transformer or differential probes. 7 is, and last, power off when finished. Turn off and disconnect the oscilloscope